You'll just need a ball of yarn to start, and we're going to start by making a loop on the table. Next, we're going to pick up the yarn and fold the tail under the loop. Just like that. Now we're going to grip the entire piece and we're going to pull the tail through the loop. Once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. It's just going to take a little practice and we'll go over it many times. All right, so pull the tail through the loop and you're going to pull the string. So once you can grab that tail, pull it through the loop and grab the string with your other hand. And now you have your slip knot. Don't worry if you didn't get it this time, we'll go over it again. Okay, so we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna take this loose and let's give it another try until you get it. The slip knot is the basic starting of any crochet project. So you'll have to make the slip knot first and then you'll make a starting chain, which I'll show you how to do in another video. Okay, all right, let's try this again. We're going to place the yarn on the table and fold it over to make a loop. Now we're going to pick up the loop and put the tail up under the loop just like this. And now we're going to pull the tail through the loop. You can go very slow. And once you get it through the loop, then you can pull the string to adjust it. And now you have your slip knot. And once you get it, once you put your needle through or your crochet hook through the loop, then you can pull it even tighter to start your project. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way. Let's do it again. This time I'm going to wrap the yarn around my finger to make that same loop. And now I'm going to take it off and push the tail up under the loop. And now we're going to pull the tail through the loop. So you can choose which method you like the best, but you'll achieve the same result. Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a starting chain. You've already learned how to make your slip knot. If no, please click on the video below. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to insert your needle in the hook just like this. You're going to wrap the yarn around your hook and pull it through the chain. Okay, so let's do it again. As you can see, we have one chain completed. So wrap the yarn around your hook and you're going to pull it through the chain. Just like that. We've created two chains. So let's try it again. Wrap the yarn around your hook and gently pull it through the chain. Very good. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through the chain. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through the chain. As you work, you'll need to adjust your fingers so you can grip your thumb, take your thumb and move it up the chain as you go. And that'll make it more comfortable for you. All right, let's continue. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through the chain. Okay, as you can see, I just moved my thumb up a little bit to make it more comfortable. So wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the chain. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through the chain. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through the chain. Now you can make this as long as you want. It can be 5 chains up to 100 or more chains. So it just depends on what your project requires. All right, great job. We completed our starting chain, and this is what it looks like. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the link below to learn more techniques. Well, hello there. My name is Yolanda, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are learning how to make a slip knot.